Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to my channel Tech and Tricks. Today I will teach you how to install Bandicam screen recording. First, you have to run your setup as administrator. Click OK. Then click Next. Then click I agree. Then click Next. It will ask you for the destination folder. Next. It will take some time to complete the installation. Don't worry, it is a very small software. It won't take a large time. Then finish. Your setup has been completed. Your application will open soon. Now you can see the first look of your application. Here is some of the settings if you want to change it or modify according to your requirement. Here you can just check the box and setting will save automatically. Here is the option of schedule recording list, where you can create a schedule one time daily or weekly. Here you select the time, start time, date. Here you select the time, or if you want to select a duration, how much time of duration you want. If you want, then check the box. Recording target, full screen or a specific rectangle screen, you can select from here and then OK. The setting will save. Output folder, here your file will come after save. You can change it as per your requirement. Here is the record button. If you click it, it will start recording or show you a rectangle. Here is the option of rectangle screen. Click and select the area which you want to record. Only this selected area is recording, otherwise your full screen will not record. You can do your required work within this rectangle screen. It will record it, and you can do your other private work outside this screen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. You can come again to watch other videos. Allah Hafiz.